Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Alhaji Salihu Lukman, one of the arrowheads of the coalition being built to defeat President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027, has dropped a hint that the candidate they will produce will be a strong candidate, and that it doesn't matter which part of the country he comes from, regardless of zoning. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Former National Vice Chairman of the ruling All Progressive Congress, Salihu Lukman, has dismissed the argument that some of us in this channel have been making, that the North should be excluded from the 2027 presidential race due to power rotational arrangement, believing that both the North and the South should have equal opportunity to produce a candidate that can be able to defeat President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. Now, Salihu Lukman, he spoke to Nigerian Tribune newspaper on this subject. He insisted that the coalition they are working on, should be able to produce a candidate that is formidable. And he claimed that this formidable candidate is available. This is available in all parts of the country. So they can get such a formidable candidate from every part of the country. And he insisted that the selection for who will be the candidate of this coalition they are building will be based purely on competence than regional consideration. And he revealed that there are already a lot of qualified individuals from the North and the South who are ready to contest for this one slot to be the leader of the coalition that will upstage Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. And he was insisting that the debate over zoning should not limit participation. That's what he said. Now, I agree with him that debate over zoning should not limit participation. But if you are participating when it is not the turn of your zone, what you are doing was just being symbolic. It means that you have a lot of money to waste. Because when you know that your zone is not supposed to produce the president, what is the essence of participation? It means you have a lot of money that you want to waste in buying forms, in reaching out to people, knowing fully well that your zone will not have serious consideration. So I disagree with him. I agree with him on that zoning should not limit participation, but you are participating at your own risk when it is not your zone, the turn of your zone to produce. Now that takes me back to the issue of Salihu Lukman. What he is saying is what I have come to observe from most of the northern elite who are strongly opposed to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and wanted a new Nigeria and want to ensure that Tinubu is a one-term president, that he is not re-elected in 2027. One thing I notice is that they seem to have this idea that throwing it open is the best option, and the hidden agenda in that is that they believe that when they throw it open, their preferred northern candidates will stand a stronger chance of being selected. That is what they are working on. That is my hunch. Looking at everything, anytime they open their mouth, you will know the direction they are flowing. For example, you know the North has 19 states. And you know that any presidential election, even though you need support from other parts of the country, the North already is going to have more delegates than any other part of the country. So banking on that and a lot of naivety among certain politicians, it is easy for a northern candidate to outmaneuver a certain candidate and emerge. Atiku Abubakar has done this severally. He has done this severally, outsmarting certain politicians. And that is exactly what they want to play out. They say, oh, there are competent people in both the North and South. Will bring a formidable candidate who can defeat Tinubu. Formidable candidates are available everywhere. It's not only in the North. And formidable candidates in the South can defeat anybody, including Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If truth be told, when somebody will have the courage to write about the 2023 election, can we say with sincerity that Peter Obi did not win that election? When you're talking about winning, who can have the capacity to win? Look at the spread of his victories across all geopolitical zones. But a lot of people did not give him chance. So the idea that there is some group of people in the North who have this formidable ability or formidable competency to be able to be elected is a ruse, to be frank. But that will be the undoing of the coalition. The coalition must seriously understand that while Nigerians, including Southern Nigerians, most Southern Nigerians agreed that Tinubu's administration had been very incompetent in the management of Nigeria's economy, in the management of Nigeria's security and our diversity, just as bad as Buhari's administration was. But the fact remains that many people do not buy the idea that power should return to the North so fast after only 4 years, that it would have stayed in the South by 2027. And this quest by the North to produce the presidential candidate that will challenge Bola Ahmed Tinubu could be the greatest undoing of the coalition. Because that is the possible outcome, that the coalition will amount to nothing. If that coalition is not built around a certain politician, and it's not made very clear from the outset that power will remain in the South, and therefore begin to shop for a formidable candidate from Southern Nigeria that can confront Bola Ahmed Tinubu and defeat him. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is difficult to defeat, but it is not impossible to defeat. Why did I say that? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has shown that he has the capacity to dug in. Because if you remember, many people talk that he's going to have a walkover in emerging the candidate of the ruling All Progressive Congress. But he faced a lot of resistance from Buhari, who was the president then, from the national chairman of the party, Abdullahi Adamu. All these people wanted a northern candidate to continue from where Buhari stopped. But Bola Ahmed Tinubu was able to maneuver his way and cornered some northern politicians, including governors. And they stood their ground that the power must shift to the south. So he was able to pull that off. And all kinds of gimmicks that was done, allegedly targeted against, including the change of currency, the scarcity of fuel, and so many other things that happened that period. Yet he was able to prevail, even though it was in a controversial circumstance, given the what people observed about that election. But he prevailed all the same. Now he's in a position where this year he's going to appoint the new INEC chairman. He has already appointed the head of the judiciary. So if 2027 election is held and you take Tinubu to court, he has a Supreme Court that he has put the head of it, has appointed the head of it. He has appointed all the security chiefs. As I said, he's going to appoint the INEC chairman this year, who will conduct the election. So everything now is working in his favor in terms of the institution of governance, institutions of the state. So he will be a much more stronger opponent than much more stronger candidate to be defeated in 2027 than he was in 2015, than he was in 2023. So the only way he can be defeated is to be defeated with a wide margin. So this is not a time to dance around the bush. The coalition, if they are serious, must stand their ground that power will remain in the south, and that they are going to pick a candidate from the south who is formidable, who has a record of defeating Bola Ahmed Tinubu where it matters most, defeating him in his own backyard, and put that candidate out. And the whole of the north, the south, the southeast will rally around this candidate. And Bola Ahmed Tinubu, despite the fact that he is in a stronger position, will be defeated. Because for you to defeat Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the defeat must be of a wide margin. You have to defeat Bola Ahmed Tinubu roundly in all the at least 5 geopolitical zones in Nigeria. Beat him hands down, that even the security agents cannot help him. INEC cannot help him. The only place he will have some votes out of ethnic sympathy will just be in the southwest. And for you to do that, you have to start from the outset to say where the presidency must come from as you are building a coalition. Anything contrary to that, anything pandering to Atiku Abubakar, who is staring at the age limitation facing him, and he's thinking that 2027 is his last chance. Anything pandering to Atiku Abubakar will bury this coalition in terms of his capacity to be able to upstage Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That's my thinking. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.